Most founders don't know about these particular tools that is $0 efficient. The tools I'm talking about is called Email Octopus. I have personally used this to generate leads through my lead magnet, and I can tell you that this particular tools has an amazing feature. Today, I will be walking you through how to upload your lead magnet to Email Octopus and how to automatically set it up, the automation, the welcoming email, and other series of email you would like to add to your automation series. So stick around while I show you how to do this. This video is going to be in two parts. Now, if you want to set an automation for your lead magnet, you must do two things. First and foremost, you must have your lead magnet content ready. And secondly, you have to create a landing page or a form where people can subscribe to and get access to your lead magnet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create landing pages using Email Octopus. So let's assume you have already opened your Email Octopus and you have signed up. This is the home page, and you have all the dashboard here. On the dashboard, there is contact, there is landing pages form, there is campaign, there is automation and template. So like I said, you don't have any contact before and you want to create a new contact. What you need to do is to go through your landing pages. You can see I have 98 subscribers. These are people that subscribe to my lead magnet. I didn't touch anything. They automatically receive the lead magnet in their inbox after they subscribe, and that is exactly what I want to show you. So now what I want you to do is to click on the follow button, turn on the notification so that when I create the real option, which is the automation, you can see how I'm going to do it and you'll be notified when my video is live. So how to create landing pages and form. Like I said, all these tools are easy. So the first thing is to go to create. Once you click on create, click on landing pages here that you want to work with. So click on the template and it will open. Now you're already on this template and you want to change the content, the person in the image, the subscribe, and the overall content. So the first thing you go to is the global size. Then you change this image first. So I already have some images that I uploaded recently. So I click on the image and it's automatically show up here, and I may want to change the image as well to this, so it automatically comes up here. And don't forget to always click up to update. Then I might change the color. Maybe I don't like that color, I want something else to my brand color, because I already uploaded some of my brand color here. Then I can decide that I want to change the text color as well to something else, to one of my brand color. Then the heading as well, I can decide to change the heading to my brand color. Then we now have the font as well. You can decide to change the font. This is the font that was there originally. You can decide to change it to Comic Sans, or you can decide to change it to Arial, or any kind of fonts that you like. Once you scroll down, you see different kind of fonts you can use. Let me use Poppins. So I'm done with this aspect. The next aspect that I want to work with is the content. So I'll go back to content. So when I click on content, I will see that the text, I can edit the text. So what did I want to add to this text? So I can just simply change the text content. I already added it to my sticky note here. So I will just change it to start your VA journey. Start your VA journey. The goal is that I want them to download this lead magnet on what kind of content they can post as a virtual assistant. So there was a little bit body of text as well. Becoming a virtual assistant is easier than you think. Here is how to start and what to share to attract your first client. So I'm going to click on this and paste it on the second section, and we are good to go. They can actually add their email and their addresses. So I click on back and I click on page setting. So what did I want to appear on this page? On this page setting, I want them to be redirected to a success page. Thank you for subscribing. Please kindly check your inbox. Check your inbox for your lead magnet. So this will be appearing on the success page. So they will know that they should open their inbox and get something there. So I want to change the link as well to my title. Start your VA journey here. So that will be my link title. So I've changed the URL. Then I want to change the title to VA content leads. So that is the title of this lead magnet. Then I can also create a meta description so that this can also rank on Google search engine. So I can create it, download my free starter guide, or book a discovery call with me. So under the page setting, we are still under the page setting. So I'm going to go to this. Then I want to change the image that will be showing on Google. So this can be something like this. I've already changed the image. So all these ones, you don't need those ones. Those are technical aspects of it. So I've already changed my page. I've done with my page setting. Then I'm back to my global style, like the font and all the likes. Everything is set. Then my content, everything is set. So now I want to add another field because this is only showing email address. So don't forget to always add another field for the name. So I had a field for the first name. So I'm going to collect the first name and the email address, then the subscribe button. So now this is where I'm talking about a tag. So I want to create a tag for this. I want to create a tag for this. There is a tag that is already there. So I want to create another tag for this particular series. So this is going to be create a new tag. Create a new tag, and I will call it VA content. What to post as VA, so that anybody that is being subscribed to this, they will be added to these VA content tags. And that is how it goes. So everything is set now. So the next thing is for me to preview. So I have to check, how does this look like? Oh, this is really looking nice. How does it look like on the mobile? Wow, this is amazing. It's even showing the images on the mobile. And boom, our landing page is already set. And on updates. So when you click on open, you'll be taken to a page like this. And this page is showing that this is actually ready. We are good to go. Remember, I've already automatically connected my social account, my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram to this. So I have updated it. it is now live. That means it is now live. Everything is live now. So I can just copy and paste the link anywhere I want it to be. So this is it when you open it, and this is the link. Your VA journey starts here. I can paste this link on anywhere and click on it. Let's say I place this link here, I send it to a friend of mine, then when I click on it, I can easily talk about the form. This is it. You can see it's even open on another browser. So let's say I want to subscribe now. I can just add my name, Ade PC, and I can add my email. This is my email. Then I click on subscribe. Do you see it? Thanks for subscribing. Please kindly share your inbox for your lead magnet. As simple as that. Just stay tuned for the part 2 video on how I'm going to connect this to an automation. Bye for now.